X Mini artillery shells, Loud and Mighty, Red Rascal, Mighty Mortar Kit, Mighty Mites, and lastly, but not least, mini bombs. All right, let's check them out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started on trialing all these little mini mortar kits. I'm not sure which one will be the best. They could all be pretty much the same. I think I've seen Red Rascals before and I wasn't too impressed with them, but I get them all confused. So we're just going to go through them all. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but yeah, let's check them out. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with Loud and Mighty. I'm not sure who makes these, but they are from Fireworks, so probably Mad Hornet, or I looked all over the box and I can't find a brand on them. But I'm going to go ahead and start with this little ball shell here. Let's check her out. Nice. All right, Loud and Mighty number 2. Nice. Pretty loud. Not, I mean, loud for 1-inch tiny ball shells. Number 3. Cool, nice crackle to that one. So I'll leave the camera here. Number 4. Oh, that one didn't stay lit. Dropped right over there. All right, well, leave that one over there and not mess with it. Nice green. All right, last one of the Loud and Mighties. Didn't light. Okay, well, that's unfortunate, but they're cheap, so not surprised. So, in case you don't know or understand, the burst charge in the shell is black powder. When it bursts, it'll shoot the shell up in the air. But it also lights a time fuse that will go slowly into where the effect is, so it'll go off in the air. But if that time fuse doesn't get lit by the burst, then it's not going to work. So that's what happened a couple times there. So, all right, on to the next brand. All right, we are going to go ahead and do these X Mini artillery shells. These are by Mega Banger. Pretty much the same tube, paper tube. Drop it down in there. And here we go. Okay, that one wasn't as loud. That was like a tiny little firecracker snap almost. Okay, X Mini by Mega Banger number 2. Okay, that's a nice color to it. Bats are already chasing. shell number 3. Ooh, that was a good one. That was a nice break and much louder than the first two. All right, here we go with the next one. All right. Got 2 left from this kit. All right. That one wasn't very loud either. All right, last one from the X Mini mortar kit by Mega Banger. Whoa, okay. That was acted just like a mine. Wow, it blew up right out of the tube. Yep. It either blew up, I'd be surprised if it blew up in the tube because the tube was still standing. I bet it blew up about right there. Wild. All right, next kit. All right, next up we got mini bombs by Sun's Fireworks. Here's a look at the tube. We'll go ahead and get it started and see what they're like. Here's a look at the shell. Looks exactly the same as the other we've done so far. Woo! One of those stars went right past my head. Jeez. That was close. All right, number 2. Ooh, nice. There's a nice crackle and it spread it out really good. Number 3. Mini bombs. Cool. These ones aren't very loud either, but can't really expect too much from a shell so small. These would be good for kids to learn on how to start using fireworks more safely. That was good. Pretty basic crackle. Got 2 left. That was a nice break. That one sounded good too. All right, last one of the 1-inch mini bombs by Sun Fireworks. Ooh, that tube's hot. All right. Cool. It's a pretty nice wide break. Alrighty, on to the next one. All right, we're going to switch it up from the little ball shells and go on to the Red Rascals. Here's what they look like. So, just look like little mini canister shells. Hope they're better than I'm expecting them to be, but we're about to find out. All right, here we go. Number one. That didn't go very high at all. It was so quiet too. All right, shell number two. Well, I gotta give it to them. They are cute. Not sure if cute is what you're looking for when you go firework shopping, but that's what you'll get if you get these. Cute little fireworks. So far, they're all about the exact same. Got 3 left. It barely even makes a sound when it shoots out of there. I like to blow in the tube down in there and make sure there's no embers sitting in the bottom, because if there is, it will set off the burst charge down below. That's why it's good to not put your face over top of the tube, which I probably have done multiple times. All right, we got one more of those monsters. Last one. Hold your butts. Whoa. I think that was the biggest one. That's not saying much. All right, cool. We got one more mini kit for you. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the Phantom brand Mighty Might mortar kit. 6 shells, just like the other ones. Looks about the same size. Let's see how they perform. Here we go. Shell number 1. Okay, not bad. Went high. A lot higher than the Rascal. All right, shell number 2. Ooh, nice. Okay. I like that one. Had a lot of crackle in it for how small a shell is. Number 3. Ooh, nice glitter to that one. That glitter hung for a minute. Nice. All right, we got 3 left of these. Cool. Nice Nice glitter on that one too. So far, they're not too bad. Nice color on that one. Nice background for a firework video, huh? All right, last one of the Phantom brand Mighty Might mortar kit. Ooh, nice. All right, good crackle on that one. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Later.